But it's your chance now. Like and subscribe to my YouTube. And from there, I'm going to teach you how to trade Forex 2021. I've been trading Forex for about 7 years now, you know? So who is a better teacher than your boy? I don't know, I've been dibbling in and out of it, you know? I learned Forex by basically watching videos. I was watching YouTube videos for the longest until I like figured it out. And from there, it basically taught me how to start my points, how to basically do everything, how to notice, because you know, when I was looking at Forex, I thought all that stuff was Chinese. It looked Chinese to me. That stuff that you would never understand if you don't know somebody or know something about it, you know? It's not nothing you just go into and think you finna just conquer in one day. No, it's nothing like that. Forex will eat you up and spit you out and not even care about it doing that, okay? And take that for example, and take that for experience that I'm telling you this, and this is my testimony that I lost a lot of money thinking I know something, thinking I can just do this without anybody's help. I thought since I've been doing Forex, I have a lot of time to play with my family. I have a lot of time to play with my daughter. You know, it's different. It's a different type of freedom. You know, I got my daughter riding on a 200cc go-kart, and she ain't number 8 years old. You know, that's stuff I dreamed of when I was a kid. You know, stuff like that. I dreamed of having that. I dreamed of being able to do stuff like that, but I couldn't. You know, because I didn't have the money to do it when I was younger. So I gotta live my experiences through my daughter. I have to do that. And my kids, my offspring. I have to give them the life that I wanted. When it came down to trading, I did not have any mentors. I learned how to trade via YouTube. I watched a lot of YouTube videos, and it basically taught me different strategies that different traders were using. And from there, I just took bits and pieces and applied it to myself and applied it to the way I trade. That's pretty much how I learned.
Over the course of the next few minutes, we're going to go through some of the basics of the foreign exchange market, how it works, how people trade it, and what makes currency pairs move. So in this latest video with Trading 212, what I thought we'd do is take maybe something of a step back. Now I appreciate plenty of people are quite familiar with foreign exchange trading, but for some people it might be a new thing.
And for me, it was a new thing because, like, you know, like I say, I didn't know anybody to do Forex personally. I didn't know anybody to do Forex. Everybody I knew either sold drugs or did fraud. So when I would post my earnings that I made off Forex, I'd be like, people be looking at me like, bro, how did you just do that? Like I was crazy or something. Like, so it was like, you know, it was a different feeling. It was a different feeling, like actually making a profit off something I didn't know nothing about. So we gonna start with Dogecoin. I'm gonna basically show you how I set my points, how I get my starting point, and we using the minute chart at this moment, but we gonna use the hour chart to do this. These are previous starting points that I've already in there. So if I was to come on trying to make a new trade, I would have to prepare myself for a new trade. First, I would make my 3 lines to see exactly where it's going, straight down the middle. You could really put like 4. Okay. Go to the minute. What I do is go to the lowest it's been within the last hour and drop it right there. Boom. Boom. Stroll out of that so you can get some more room. Boom. And put one at your highest. Go back down to a minute. Now you can really see exactly what's going on. So you would want to catch a buy somewhere down here at 31 if you can get it. Like, you wouldn't just rush into no buy. You wouldn't rush into no sell either. You wouldn't rush into no trade. All trades are executed in a timely manner. It's no rush.